Hello. Today I thought I would have a little rant. Basically, do you miss lead white paint? Have you used lead white paint? Can you obtain lead white paint? Because I certainly can't. I used to use it years ago and it was a wonderful paint. It had such a buttery consistency and a texture to it. You could easily get impasto techniques with it. It was just gorgeous to use. It wasn't cool, it was slightly warm, and it added something to a painting, which is why the old masters used to use it. Anyway, about 15, 20, probably longer than that, 20 years ago, the EU, European Union, decided to ban it from normal use. Now, I live in the UK and we are still governed by this rule, even though we have left the European Union several years back. We are still governed by this rule. Now, I know it can still be obtained in places like the USA, Australia, New Zealand, but not in the European Union or the UK, which is ridiculous. Yes, I can see the point that it's got poisonous qualities, as it has lead in it. But you look under your sink and see how many poisonous chemicals there are there. And you can buy any number of those from any supermarket or corner shop. No problem. But to buy a paint, a white paint, that's poisonous, if you eat it, are you going to eat it? It's a bit of a nanny state thing, this. This is why I'm having a rant about it. They can't trust you to not eat it. It's ridiculous. The old masters used to use it, and some of them lived to ripe old ages. Titian lived to his 90s. He used to use lead paint all the time. If you're careful, you wash your hands, you don't lick your brushes, you don't swallow the paint, you'll be fine. You just have to use common sense, and that's what these regulations are knocking out of people. Common sense. They're eradicating common sense. So you have to rely on their judgment and not your own. Now, there are alternatives that you can use. There are lead white alternative paints that are on the market. And I've tried most of them, and to be honest, I'm not that keen on them. They don't have that same quality. They take far too long to dry, whereas lead white dried very, very quickly. And they're just not nice to use. Except for one. There's one oil paint that's a lead white alternative that is 99% there. It just needs a one little added ingredient to make it perfect. And I'll tell you what that paint is and how to make it perfect in the next video. So in the meantime, rant over and happy painting.